Hi students, this video will guide you how to register to QSpiders if you are a new student. First thing, you open any of the browser and search for QSpiders login. Right? Once you do that, select the first link. Now we are in the login page, but we are a new student. So just click on register. In order to register, you have to enter your mobile number. Now I'll enter my mobile number. Okay, now click on send OTP. You'll get the OTP which you have to enter within 1 minute. Okay, it might take some time, no problem. Wait for the OTP, fine. I've got the OTP, I'll just enter it. Okay, just click on verify OTP. Now your number has been verified. You have to register. To register, first thing first, you have to give your name. I will give the name as Ram, and you have to give some email ID. I'll just give an email ID. Make sure you give the valid email ID. Now I'm just re-entering the email ID and confirming it. Now you have to enter your country. Country, I will enter India. I have to enter the state, Karnataka. I'll enter the district, Bangalore. You have to enter your highest degree year of pass out. Means when did you pass your degree or masters, in which year did you pass, you have to enter that. I'll enter that. Now I have to create a password so that you can log in, right? I'll just create a password. Make sure you remember your password. Make sure you remember your password. Cross-check the password. Now just click on submit. Now you have successfully registered. You have successfully registered to QSpiders. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to log in with the same email ID and the password you have created. Just enter the same email ID. Enter the password you created. Enter the email ID, password, cross-check it and just click on login. Now you have successfully logged in to your QSpiders. You have created an account. Okay. Now you have understood how to register and how to log in. Thank you.